I'm not looking at it as, you know, a deficit. I'm looking at it as abundance, and that is what's keeping me focused during this fast. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Yes, my Christmas tree is still up because it's not my mama's birthday yet, and now it's our tradition growing up, and so I'm going to honor that in my own household. Today we are going to be talking about the Daniel fast. This is kind of like a Daniel fast crash course of things that I know. I'm still learning and God is still revealing things to me, but doing the Daniel fast for 21 days with the church I watch online, that's Transformation Church. And so I'm doing a 21-day Daniel fast, and I wanted to come on here and talk about what is the Daniel fast and things that you can eat, things that you can't eat. So let's get started. I guess we can start off with why I am personally doing the Daniel fast, and really it's because I feel like I am in this new season of transition in a lot of areas of my life, and I just want to gain clarity from the Lord on, you know, my next steps, and I want to be able to hear him clearly. And so for me, I'm fasting beyond the Daniel fast in terms of I'm fasting from social media, and that's including YouTube. I am posting on YouTube, but I'm not, you know, consuming videos, which is very tough because I love me some YouTube, but I really I just wanted to lay everything down in order to, like, I know that I'm serious. Like, I'm really, really serious, and in the upcoming video, you're going to understand why I'm so serious and what I'm so serious about. But I'm so serious. I did not want to be stuck with the same, you know, words of the year every year. And so I'm really getting serious, and, you know, just to release me from things that no longer serve me. So this is why I'm personally doing the Daniel fast. And so I'm really just giving it all to God. Like, here, you can have all of this stuff. Let's get this done. Like, let's get this done. You've had these things in my heart. Let's do it. So I'm handing everything over to him, and, you know, we're gonna go from there. And I feel like things are already changing. So I'm very grateful. Let me give you a list of the things that you should be eating while on the Daniel's fast. So vegetables, fruits, nuts and grains, legumes, beans, whole grains. So no white rice, no white flour, all that stuff. Nuts, seeds, healthy plant-based fats. So, like, you know, like cooking oils and stuff like that. Like, no butter or anything, but, you know, like a little avocado oil when you sauteing your veggies and stuff like that. You know, healthy fats. Herbs, spices. You know, you gotta season the vegetables. It's the same thing as seasoning meat. You season the vegetables, they're gonna taste delicious. Water and herbal tea. So no caffeinated drinks, you know, no coffee, no Celsius, no sodas, all that stuff. Literally just water and herbal teas. And that's pretty much me anyway. I do drink coffee or like green tea here and there, but I'm mostly a water and, you know, tea person. So this, you know, that portion isn't that hard for me. Some of the foods to avoid is, you know, fried foods, meat, dairy, eggs, processed foods, baked goods, alcohol, caffeine, pretty much any other beverage other than water and tea. Now, I know that sounds like a lot and it sounds hard, but you can do it. This fast is to, well, I'll speak for myself. For me, this fast is to not lean on my own strength and will, but to lean on God. Because, you know, this is me. Like, although I have these cravings and I'm just like, ooh, I want this, I want this, I want this, this is proven to me that I can't do this by myself. I can't do anything by myself, and I have to always lean on him and, you know, ask him for his help, because my flesh wants, you know, I want a big salmon roll. I want some eggs and some turkey bacon. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know what I want, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to complete this 21 days. So as far as, you know, what to eat and what not to eat, that is pretty much it. And I know it sounds easier said than done, but I know that you can do it. And I believe in you. You're going to do it. We're going to come out of this fast fulfilled. We're going to come out confident. We're going to come out, you know, aware. We're going to be tapped in. You know, we're going to have like exponential growth, you know, spiritually. And that's what I'm looking forward to most. I'm looking forward to that. And that leads me into things to keep yourself spiritually fed. And so for me, I'm also using this fast to really tap in with God, like throughout my day. Praying, I'm doing Bible study, and I found this really good method from Priscilla Shirer. And I'm also doing, if you have the Bible app, Transformation Church has a 21 days of prayer and fasting on the Bible app under the plans, and it's called like the sauce. So you can do that as well. That's also what I'm doing. And then I found this website. They have topics of the day on what you can pray on and stuff like that. So I can link that as well. And I've kind of been reading that during my time with God in the morning. And I'm on day 2 and I feel like it's already been really, really good for me. And I'm also reading like the physical Bible. Like I have a physical Bible and I'm opening that thing up because I feel like I don't want to lean on my cell phone all the time, you know, just be having my cell phone in the other room. I have a physical Bible and I'm just doing my Bible study. I'm just reading and being in the Word, and that is, you know, what I plan to do these 21 days. And then, you know, after you do something for 21 days, it becomes a habit. And so I want to carry that out with me, you know, for the rest of my days. So I guess to sum everything up, the key takeaways is for things that you should be eating is fruits, vegetables, water, nuts, legumes, whole grains. That's about it. And things to avoid: dairy, meat, eggs, processed foods, fried foods, caffeine, alcohol, baked goods, you know, pretty much the joys in life. You have to starve your flesh so you can be more tapped in spiritually. And that is a small sacrifice for, you know, all the blessings and the abundance that you will have from doing this and, you know, being tapped in with God. So I'm not looking at it as, you know, a deficit. I'm looking at it as abundance, and that is what's keeping me focused during this fast. And so I'm doing a 3-week, 21-day Daniel's fast, but, you know, the OG text, Daniel's 1 through 11 and 14, he does a 10-day, you know, vegetable and water diet. So you can do 10 days, you can do 21 days, whatever you feel called to do, you know, just tap in and, you know, be led to do what you're supposed to be doing. And I would say to be encouraged. Don't lean on yourself. If you have a support group, lean on your support group, but most importantly, lean on God. This is what the whole fast is about. For me personally, for me to really get ingrained in my head that I can't do it on my own. I can't do it on my own. I need Him in all things and to seek Him first. And so that's what I've been doing. I'm also doing a social media fast, so I'm not looking on Instagram the first thing I do when I get up, or shortly after, you know, reading my Bible app. Like I'm really getting into the Word, doing Bible study. The resources I talked about earlier with the Sauce 21 Days of Fasting on the Bible app, Bible Plan with Transformation Church, and also this website that I found with like different prayer topics during the 21 days of prayer and fasting. Like I'm really, you know, immersing myself in the Word, and I'm opening up the real legit book. That's a little bit foreign to me because I'm so used to reading it off my phone, but it's nothing like just opening up a book and being able to highlight like for real with the pen and not just, you know, a tap. But I want to encourage y'all to fast however long you feel called to do so. And if you can do a social media fast, I feel like that's been helping me exponentially and just is connecting me with God throughout the day more, because I'm not just like, oh, I have 5 minutes, like let me scroll. Like I'm just like, okay, well, let me pray, let me read a Bible verse, you know, or let me read a book. You know, the simple things in life. But that's all I have for y'all today. I do have plans to drop a Daniel's fast like recipe video, so be on the lookout for that. I made some really, really good food, and it's been raining, so I've been making some chili, and it's gonna be a Wang Ding doodle. And I'm so like this food, these fresh vegetables and herbs and stuff, like it's making me so happy. And I feel like my spirit is being fed by the Word. I'm being fed with great fruits and vegetables that were provided to us from the Most High, like no processed foods. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling clean. That juice cleanse really set it off for me. I'm so grateful that I did it. Thank you to everyone who watched that video. Like I had like 850 views within like 2 days, and for me that's a lot. So thank you for your support. If you subscribed after that, you know, I got a lot more subscribers after that, so I'm very, very thankful. And you know, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video. I am going to be posting a lot more Daniel's fast content for the rest of the month because that's what's going on in my life. So yeah, if you like the recipes, let me know. And you know, I can continue recipes posting as fast. So let me know what y'all like, what y'all vibing. You know, if you like to sit down with your chats, let me know. I'm trying to take inventory so I can plan out my content after January. So let me know. And I'm going to go warm up my dinner. And y'all will probably see this in a video of my dinner. So be sure to subscribe because cooking content is coming, Daniel Fast friendly, you know what I'm saying? So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.